Hello and good evening everyone. So today we are going to Athirapilly and we have taken this forest road. The road is very beautiful and we won't be going to Athirapilly Falls, but we will be going in and around Athirapilly Waterfalls, and we have also planned to go to the dam. Let's see if it is open because COVID ke karan many things are closed. So we are going now and I'm huffing and puffing because I'm feeling so tired, and right now I'm standing in this beautiful area. It feels so good and it was so sunny today, but abhi the weather is cool and calm and I'm feeling like very much fresh. So let's go. My God, I need to... So we are planning to go to that dam. It has the largest butterfly garden, it seems. So let's go now, let's run. I will lose 10 kgs if I go on doing this every day. So we will be going through this area and it is a plantation palm oil estate. So we have halted here, like we are going through this forest area. It is actually a palm plantation area and the view is worth watching. Though the road won't be that bit good, but the view is worth watching. And यहाँ से शायद से we will take little lesser time, है ना sir? So now we are planning to go to that dam. It is some Tomu, I forgot the name of the dam, I will mention it. And I think वहाँ पे एक largest butterfly garden भी है. So that is the thing we have in our mind. For COVID, many things might be closed. Let's see. Let's go now. If the tiger approaches, I will be like scared.
So hard.
Prakriti Gramam. And right now we are in the hanging bridge and the view here is so beautiful. There's a river by the side and the whole thing looks so beautiful and it's indeed clean and tidy. and the sunset view will be very beautiful from here, I think. Let's see, let's explore more. So we have explored Prakriti Gramam, and now we are moving out and we are heading towards Vazhachal waterfalls and also Athirapilly waterfalls. Athirapilly ke andar nahi jayenge, we will explore it from outside, but we will go to this Vazhachal waterfalls. And chalo, let's go. We had come here just like a year back with one of our friends, and since then we had not come here for a long time, and that time it was quite sunny. Abhi thoda theek hai. So this is water theme park in Athirapilly, but now we are heading straight क्योंकि हमें जाना है Vazhachal waterfall. So let's go. So finally we have reached near Athirapilly waterfalls, and this is the forest department office from where you can collect tickets for both Athirapilly and Vazhachal waterfalls, like if you wish to go near the waterfalls. The way towards Vazhachal waterfalls was closed, that is why we couldn't go there, and now we are returning back home. Let's see, on the way we will stop somewhere and we'll take few photos. So we could not go to Vazhachal waterfalls because वो बंद था, maybe because of COVID and all, and now we have come to the same place. Okay, yeah, maybe I don't know if it is for COVID or because of the election results आज है यहाँ का केरला में, so I don't know किस कारण ये बंद था. Let's see, we will come another day, and now I will take few snaps, and anyway, let's see, photo लेते हैं. But who am I to even try to make a difference when the world is probably ending soon? Everybody said they're an individual, but all we do is try not to be invisible. We're doing dances, trying to find the love we never could. Wanna look at it a little more critical. So the way to that garden was closed, that butterfly garden, so we could not go there, maybe because of COVID. So we only had been there in that hanging bridge, and we enjoyed the sunset for a while. So I'm ending my journey here, and we will be returning back via Chalakudi. So let's see, because it's getting dark and the other side in the forest it is not safe to go. And look at that sky. I'm counting down the hours. Look at it a little more critical, 'cause we're the generation gonna make the pillars fall. What are the chances? I'd say they're pretty good.